Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. So let me just I'm sorry, I am having some issues today, so that's why I am running a bit late. Okay, display looks good. Nice. My face looks good. Cool. So hey everyone, welcome to the stream. Today we are going to look into the Birb language code, and I think from next stream I will reach out to the Calamity, the person who started this whole language, and then I will then we will look into it that in which places where we can contribute to the language. So today it will be, I think, a short stream. It's just a chill stream, and we will just look at the code and try to understand how they have written this language. So that's the plan for today. I also have some small things to do. I will let you know about this just in a minute. Let me just say hello to everyone. Hey Parth, welcome to the stream. Hey Coder, welcome to the stream. How was the stream today? I'm sorry, I was caught up in this setting up this stream, so I couldn't join your stream today. Hey Andy, welcome to the stream. Good morning, I guess. You will be a very important help today if you will be able to continue the if you'll be able to stick with the stream, because you have experience with the language. So yeah, that's it. Just give me a second. So also, why my bot is not working? It should be in our stream. Let me take a look into that. CloudBot, it's active. So if I do this, does this work? No. Okay. It has the right permissions. Nice. Thanks, Parth. It should work though. I'm not sure why it's not working. Maybe there are some things I need to do, I think. Yeah, I will do it later. I don't want to spend a whole time in setting up this boat. I think we can skip it for this one. Hey Anand. Just logging off for the night, wanted to come and say hi. Hey Brian. Thank you so much for dropping by. Oh, your name is Brian. Now I know what's your real name. I have always seen your short name, so yeah. Thank you so much for coming and dropping by and saying hello. I think I missed your last stream. I think I was at work. I didn't mention it in the live chat. Guilty. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think it will be chill stream. It won't be that productive, but let's see how it goes. Not I don't think so. that confident that I will make any PR today. What I want to do today is I will just go through the code and I will try to understand it. I might start working on something because you are here, so you might be able to help me with giving direction that on which things I should work. So I might start working at the end of the stream, but I don't think so we will start creating PR today. But I think I am planning to do at least one PR until our next stream ends. It's nice. Okay. So let's just look into the code. Let me just first clone it locally. It will be much easier. I think I have a copy locally, but I was doing some Vim. I was trying to use Vim, and it might have affected some files, so I just want to remove that one. So let's just do that. Let me know if you guys see any issues with audio or video. Make a fork and then clone. But I'm just looking at the code, so should I fork it? I'm not making any changes or I'm not doing anything else, so would that be okay? So if I will look into creating PR, then I will definitely fork it. I won't try working on directly on this main repository. Let me close this. What's wrong with VS Code? Oh, it's, yeah, now it's good. Okay, and let's just see, is there anything else we need to do? Okay, so this command I think will install all the required packages. Do I have Birb command? No. Oh, it should be in Birb. And Handy, what this line would do, I am not sure. Will it build the language? Okay. Yes, it will make a .exe file. Would it make a file for macOS? Or is it a Windows exclusive? Prefer doing that, people like that. Okay, I see. Okay, so as we have this main function here, so which means this is the main entry file for this language. And so first of all, they are importing runtime, and that's what they are using at line 16. So let's just look at the runtime directly first. and that's the class scope and list of methods, map methods. See, generates a native executable and it's isn't deal for debugging. Oh, okay, I see. Thank you so much for the tip. I will definitely use that. Yeah, let's try running it first. Okay, that's cool. Let's look at the examples. So that's screameln. That's a function similar to console log, right? Cool. We wrote Birb with the intention of making it easy for people to contribute, so it will be pretty easy to understand. But let me know if you don't get something. Sure. Thank you so much. I was looking at the code. I didn't went too much deep at that time because I wanted to do it live on the stream. So, but yeah, it was pretty simple that we are just importing some files and it's not that complicated. I think it's a bit complicated for me because I have never done uh, this kind of programming. So it's sometimes it's a bit hard to understand how we are actually executing the code. So if I just want to contribute to the language, what code I should care about? I mean, where should I look? Because I understand there are too many different directories, and I don't think so. I need to understand 100% of the language, I guess. So for hey Scout1, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for joining in. Okay, so add core types. And how can we do that? Sorry about that, but I have no idea. To start off, I would say easiest would be runtime for standards. Okay. Oh, I see what you may mention here. Now I understand what core types. Sorry, I'm a bit confused. Okay. Which one? Look at your button up shirt looking like a snake. Let me take a look into that. I don't think so how it looks. I can't, sorry. Oh, is it? Are you talking about this? I think it's the pop filter. How can I zoom in this one? Let me open up my stream. And you look good in that shirt, man. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Sorry. Oh, hey Blades, welcome to the stream. It's compliment. Oh, I see. The thing is, just before when I was starting this stream, I was having some issues to set it up. The whole, like I was having some light issues and everything. So my mind is not as chilling as usually it is on the stream. So that's why I'm really confused today. Take a look at runtime and around line 1000 to get an idea of how methods and properties of code types are needed. Okay. We have 1000 lines. Nice. So okay. Yeah, I think I see what we are doing. And if binary op right is a good type and it's to variable return visit map properties, node left. What is left? None. Okay. So I understand that we have the switch function, which is just checking the type of the variable, and then we are calling the method. I did see that this AST node and AST type. What's the actual AST is? Is it a library? As you know, the binary right is either the property or method. In case of string is the binary operator. Okay. Abstract syntax tree. I see. Okay. Cool. I see. I think I am getting it now. A presentation of a programmer tree. Cool. I like this. Handle this case. And also, do we have any dev branch or something like that, or we are just doing it on master? I think I can just look at it here. Cool. Yeah. So looks like this runtime is the main file, right? Which will what's the word for that? Translate a Birb code so that our program can understand, and then it will execute it, right? We might be pushing to beta soon, but so far master. Cool. Nice. I will need to take a look into the AST later, because I am not that familiar with. I do get an idea what functions or what functions it provides to this code, but I think I will need to take a look into the later so that I can understand nicely. Okay. Visit list access. And there was thrown was okay. I would say read through utils and to get an idea of how AST would look. The Alexa breaks up the program into tokens such as int token or string value identifier. I see. Cool. So it should be utils and AST. Oh yeah, now I think I understand it. So did you guys wrote this up from scratch? Really? The parser takes those tokens and parse them into the AST. For example, if it would define what is a function definition as opposed to variable definition in some sense. I see. So let me know if I'm thinking it right. So when I execute, like when I enter the when I executed this line, so first it went to the main file, main function, then it went to runtime, or maybe it was already in runtime, not sure. But yeah, once this code was runtime, then AST transpiled into, like, it gave the definition to this syntaxes, right? Alexa first. Okay. Which actually runs the program. Okay, the parser then passes. Oh, okay. I was thinking it in the wrong way. Alexa first and then parse and then runtime. Okay. I see. Cool. Okay. First go to Alexa. Oh, okay. The parser takes that, and by the equals sign, I realize that it's a variable definition, and it passes into the variable definition node. Okay. Oh, okay. AST type. Variable name, variable value, variable type. which extends the AST node. Okay, so this will be a blueprint for defining a variable, and then our parser will fill up these values, right, and add the variable into the scope, if I am getting it right. Cool, I see. So we have all the definition for all the different types here, and which our parser will use it. And the lexer is the code which will identify which type of function slash which type of node it is in the runtime. Okay, yeah, make tokens. Cool. That's the lexer. Token get next line, I see. Let me look at first. It is switching to current character, and then we are setting the token type. I think as I'm looking into the code, I feel like I will understand it more once I start working on some feature. What do you guys think? Should I just start working on something and understand on the go, or should I look through the code and start with adding core underscore types? It's very easy and will give you a good idea of how things work. Okay, start adding core types. Are we working on anything else? Anything which I can boolean dot dot? Okay, so let me just make a fork. We'll need to do we have a method for exiting from runtime? Is it just called exit? Undefined variable quit. Okay. Also, it is printing my old lines into the error message as well. So that is also interesting. Oh, it was colon. Yeah, that worked. Oh, okay. So I needed to import that one, right? See. Okay, so let me just first open into this code. Okay, nice. Current bucket. Oh, I did. Now export in code types. Okay. Do I need to worry about these errors, or is that fine? Hey Shivani, welcome to the stream. So, what is a similar type that I can use for reference? Okay, I see. We just first close files. Here is the bold.dart. and here is the int. So there'll be a method called visit bool properties, if I'm getting it right. Yeah, which will get a node and left in parameters. Okay, so we'll be importing this file, and it's called ast node. And it will get a ast node, two nodes. One is node and one's the left one. And we will get this binary of right dot variable, which will be coming from once it add the values, right? Yeah, I understand it now. So let's add switch case for this. Also, how can I find which values will it be here? So for example, for int we have like bit length, is even, prefer package imports. Okay, cool. I see what you mean here. Not this one. Who got this one? Straight line bool node. Okay. And this is the node that we are getting as a first parameter, right? Okay, let me look in the Discord. Okay, taking a look. Is there anything to the right side of dot, for example, string dot length? And here length is binary upright. Okay. And what's the AST variable? AST has a field called variable name, which obviously goes to say it check the variable name. If you would do node.method variable name in case of string.length would be length. Okay, and what we were doing in the int, so these are the methods, right? I think now I'm getting it. Let me grab that link again. To get methods from you, simple do dot minor function call expression dot variable name. So we can't get its function. Okay, of course. Call left is the object a method is being called on. In foo.length, left will be foo. Left integer value dot is even. I am taking too much time to understand it. So this is the variable. So if I am writing something like true dot is not null, for example, I don't know if we are adding such method, then this will be the thing that we are getting here, which we are passing in the switch function, right? Okay. Okay. And are we expecting some certain methods to be called on certain types? So if I will write different switch cases here, then only those. So what I want to say is there any other file which we will define these functions? I know it will be hard for Calamity that to teach every new person that how the whole system works, and sorry about that. I am asking too many questions. I think after this stream ends, I will discuss in the Discord server offline, and I will try to understand that. It will be a much easier thing, and I won't look stupid on the streams. You will call visit Birb in the runtime. Okay. Yeah, I see. Okay. Now I am connecting the dots. Okay. So if binary write type, sorry. So in the first case, so the left dot type means the variable where we are calling this function, or where we are fetching this property, and we are switching to this its type. Then if it's list, then we are, and if the right type of, if in the if the right node is right node's type is variable, then it will be something like string dot length, and if it's a function, then it will be something like dot trim function. Okay. Oh, well, I see. So add it within the AST type, AST bull case. Yeah, right here. Keep it here for now. So if node dot binary write dot if its type is est type dot assist variable we're passing node and left. Yeah, I'm not good with keyboard today, so I think that's better choice. Which we will still need to define. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. And then whatever cases we define here will be added as a properties / functions in runtime. The switch case for this method is, oh yeah, it will be function call. Is it a function call args? Oh, function call expression dot variable name. So are we referencing any other language to create these properties and methods? So can you at least go with at least one case with me? From operators only worry about runtime type. Okay. Let me take long to the integer for that. Did I miss anything? No. Oh, I pasted it in the wrong place. It should be here. Methods only need to be toString. Okay. And string node, string, yes, tree, calling string node, string value is equal to left dot runtime dot toString. So do I need to make any changes to this? Do we have the same thing here? Yeah. Except it will be a bool value. And the toString method is it right? Okay, sure. Okay. I lost my chat. See, I think I am doing it right. I think now I understand this core types files as a blueprint of the properties and the methods that can be called on particular type, and inside this we are just creating this switch case and calling different methods on them. So for example, if we go with absolute, we are calling the left for double value dot, then we are calling this absolute method on it. And in AST node, send you a reference link, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, bools don't need much. If you want, you can work on maps. Cool. So that's all we really needed for Boolean, right? I will either take a look into this code tonight or maybe tomorrow night. I still have some assignments to do, so I don't think so. I will be streaming a lot today, maybe another half hour. Some properties for maps are already started, if I recall correctly. Cool. Yeah, I think I read some conversation in about map. Okay, cool. So for now, can I make a PR with this bool.dart file? Like I can also test it locally, right? So if I create a true.toString, I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but oh yes, green. See, let I'm am I pronouncing it right? Okay, so let me just first add that in examples. Cool. Okay, so I can create a file. We're just calling and runtime type. So 3 lines. Okay. Oh, we also have code explanation. I didn't knew that. Let me do that. Nice. Add a comment with expected value, output some values. Okay. Put will be true. Okay, we are oh, it should be output the runtime type, not the value. Oh yeah, it should be bool, right? And does the same thing go for toString? No, sorry. Yeah, toString is right? Output true. Birb run test. Yeah, it passed the test. That's nice. Yeah, that's a really like I was wondering how the test runs in this uh, in our repository. I didn't knew that like our example files are running as a test files. So if I start the runtime and if I do scream len and if I do true dot c rem, cool. Yeah, I can. Yeah, now it's working. Let's just dot to string. Yep, it's working. So let me just commit the changes. Basic bool properties file. Let's push the changes. Sorry for the noise. To run a file run. Oh, I didn't know that. Cool, that's nice. So it will run the file. Nice. Yeah, I see. I understand. So Dart will run that file, and then we are passing path to another file as argument to our main file. Yeah, now I understand it. Cool. Okay, and we can say this. Let's make a pull request. We will make it to the master branch on Birb language. And do I need to anything else in the description? So like, do we have any standard which I should follow, or is that okay? Oh, nice. Okay, I will just create it. And there it is. Our first PR from Coding with Fun. Yeah, I can add some basic description though. I will add it. Can I? Yeah. Bool methods. Also, which CI we are using? I was just wondering. Oh, it's GitHub Actions, right? Cool. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, like from like once this stream ends, I will look into the code offline, and I will start doing some work. And I am planning to write code on stream once I am comfortable with it. Like today's experience was good, definitely good, but I don't think so that I should be streaming where I don't have any idea. So that's what I am planning to do. So there might be a gap, a week or something. I will try my best to uh, stream next week and work on some code, but that's what my current plan is. And yep, that's it for this stream. We have created a PR, that's nice. And it is, as much as I am looking into the Birb language, it's getting really interesting, and I want to contribute more. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you so much to Calamity and Anhat Singh for helping me out. I was making too many mistakes, or I was too confused, and they really helped me. Why am I not seeing any comments? Yeah, I see it now. Use package imports. Oh, I think it was something to do with I think it did something. It was auto importing it, so that's why. Package Birb. Oh, I have already imported it, so yeah, I think it was the auto import of VS Code, which didn't detected this line, and then it tried to import it by relative path. Okay. Oh, it's two files. Sorry. The first one is in runtime. Code types is here, and HTML is there. And the second file was, yeah, it's the same one, just different lines. Let's run the test again. Yeah, I will push the code to the PR, and you guys can look at it once you have time. And as Calamity mentioned, that he will look into the PR once he has time, so that's nice. And he's also reviewing it, so that's cool. I didn't realize that it was importing, so I will need to take care of it from next time when I'm using VS Code. Remote wrong. And it should fetch it in the PR as well. Yep, nice. So cool. That's it for today's, guys. I think I will now I will end the stream now. I will be back on Monday or maybe on Tuesday. I am not sure about in this week, and we'll be working on shopping manager. So thank you so much for everyone for tuning in. Have a good night, have a good day, whatever it's according to your time zones. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in.